Ever seen a truck that looks like it could tow the lake itself? Meet the 1966 Ford F-250 Custom 4x4 with an Alaskan camper. It's exactly that. Ladies and gentlemen, when I first saw the 1966 Ford F-250 Custom 4x4 with its Alaskan camper strapped on the back, I thought, this isn't a truck. It's a yellow tank with a vacation home attached. I mean, my neighbor once tried to tow a boat with his SUV, and the only thing that made it to the lake was his ego. This Ford? It looks like it could haul the boat, the dock, and maybe the lake itself if you ask nicely. Now, before I tell you how this beast mixes muscle with comfort better than any politician mixes promises with excuses, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, because here, we show you rigs so wild, your friends will think you've been lying about your fishing trips for years. This F-250 started life in springtime yellow, and yes, that's its real color, not a flavor of sherbet. In 2020, it got a full repaint after bodywork, and today it looks sharp, with a utility cargo bed and locking storage boxes, coated in bed liner. A fabricated rear receiver hitch is tucked in back, ready to tow whatever crazy project your buddy convinces you to buy. I believe the coordinated camper setup really gives it presence. Like a cowboy wearing a tuxedo, under the hood sits a replacement 390 cubic inch V8, swapped in 2021. We're talking big block grunt, connected to a 4-speed new process manual and a dual-range transfer case. Power flows through Dana 60 axles with a locking rear differential. So whether you're climbing mountains or just the world's steepest Walmart parking lot, this rig has you covered. The rear end was overhauled in 2019 with new gears and bearings, the clutch replaced in 2021, and the Flowmaster muffler makes sure the whole campground knows when you arrive. Stopping? That's left to drum brakes on all 4 corners. Old school, but it gets the job done. Now let's step inside the camper, because this is where I think the real magic happens. The Alaskan camper was refurbished in 2024 with a telescopic roof that raises via electric actuators. Finally, you can stand up inside without performing yoga moves. The interior has a dinette that folds down, a kitchenette with a stainless sink, 3-burner stove, fridge, and fresh upholstery. Overhead is the sleeping area, with dual fans and dimmable LED lighting. There's even a diesel heater hooked up to a 2.5-gallon tank in the bed, plus a 178 amp-hour big battery lithium pack to keep things humming. What I liked the most? Black 16-inch steel wheels wear BF Goodrich all-terrain TA tires in 285/75 size. The odometer shows 83,000 miles, about 3,000 added recently, though I'd argue it has the stamina for many more. Inside the cab, the beige bench seat was refoamed and reupholstered, complemented by body color metal and black rubber flooring. No speakers, but honestly, with a V8 like this, who needs them? As for price, this rig was bid up to $20,000 in November 2024, around €18,400. Considering the camper's refurb, fresh engine work, and clean California title, I'd say that's fair for a rolling slice of Americana that doubles as a mobile cabin. So, what do you think? Would you trust this F-250 to take you off the grid, or just down memory lane? Drop it in the comments. And folks, if you laughed, nodded, or just enjoyed imagining Timmy trying to back this into a campsite without hitting a tree, then consider becoming a sponsor of Camp Avto for just $1. That's right, for less than the cost of a gas station burrito, you can keep us on the road. Sponsorship link, as always, is in the description under the video.